Hi, Andy Chick, Director of Marketing for Independent Electric, and
I'm Dean Pinaris with Electro Rep representing RAB Lighting.
Awesome, thanks for joining us, Dean.
What we're here to talk about today is RAB's introduction of a full line of high bay products in that ultra economy price point. So RAB has always been known for their high bay products. They've had a premium product for many years. We are now introducing both a linear family and a round family of high bay lighting fixtures.
Fantastic. So, sounds like a great line. What about our round high bay? What can you tell me about it?
This is an H17XL. It's all DLC premium listed. It's wet rated, so you get your wet location rating on there. It has 0 to 10 volt input, so you can dim the product.
Okay.
It's both 120 and 277 come standard. There is an option for a 480 volt, and it has a 100,000 hour lifespan.
What can you tell me about these covers or gaskets here?
Yeah, these covers cover the selector switch for your field selectability on CCT and on your wattage.
Okay.
So when you pull the gasket back, you're gonna see a switch in there that allows you to switch between 3, 4, and 5K. And on this particular unit, you can switch between 150 watts, 250 watts, and 240 watts.
Dean, tell me a little bit about the KO here.
Okay, this is one of the most exciting features of this new product.
Stop. Really?
Yeah, absolutely,
Right,
yeah.
Up
until now, adding sensors on high bays has been fairly difficult. With this new design on both products, RAB has been able to build in these ports that allow you to buy accessory products.
Yeah.
I'm showing two here. I'm going to expose you to this product first. This is a microwave sensor.
Okay.
And if you look at the back of the product, you see 3 pins.
Yes.
Those 3 pins come in contact with the copper on the base of this.
Okay.
And even you, Andy, can make this sensor enabled.
All right.
Let's see
Look at that. See.
There you go. You now have a sensored enable lighting fixture that comes preset with settings that allow it to provide occupancy detection. This product here is a microwave sensor. This is a passive infrared sensor. So you're getting 2 different sensor technologies.
Okay.
You can purchase them with what we call light cloud blue enabled features.
Okay, so on to this one. We got another fixture here, don't we? Tell me a little bit about this thing.
Yeah, so this has very similar features that we just talked about. This is a RBAY17, which is a ultra economy price point. You're getting extremely high efficacy, meaning lumens per watt. This gets up to, I think, 151 lumens per watt. And this actually is the size of the product. So this is the RBAY17S, standing for small. This is the RBAY17M, and then we have an L.
And this runs on the same system as the other?
Exact same system, yep.
Wow.
So once you understand how to program Light Cloud Blue, you now are able to design a fully functional lighting control system with your phone with no need for any special hardware or gateways. It's just simply screwing this product in. It's available through Independent Electric Supply.
There he's a team member right there. Thank you, Dean. More fantastic products from our friends at RAB. Thank you for joining us.
No, thanks. We're super excited about all these new products that RAB has, and we're super excited about supporting Independent to help move these products and to help make our customers more efficient, productive, and sustainable with all these new designs.
Fantastic. So for these RAB products and others, please be sure to go to iesupply.com or visit your local Independent Electric Supply today. Have a great day.